Hello, welcome to excelexperts.com. Today we're going to have a look at calculation in Excel. So there are two types of function in Excel. There's volatile and there's non-volatile. I'm going to explain what the difference is by way of an example. So a volatile function is a function like the now function, for example. The now, let's just change the formatting of this so that it adds seconds. Okay, here we have the now function. It's volatile. If I change or even go into any other cell on the worksheet and click enter, that function will recalculate. If I insert a column, that function will recalculate. If I undo that, it will recalculate. So this function, anytime anything happens on this worksheet or even the workbook, this will calculate. So be very careful of volatile functions. They can lead to slow spreadsheets if you link a lot of other cells to these. Some functions can be volatile that don't look volatile, like index, offset, today even. So be wary of those. I'm going to show you what a non-volatile function is. So let's change that volatile function to equals rand. Rand is quite a good one. So let's just prove it's volatile. Double click there, hit enter. There we go, it recalculates. I'm going to write my own VBA function that's non-volatile. Function my rand. And my rand is going to return just rand. So it's exactly the same as rand, R-A-N-D, but it's a wrapper around the VBA version. Equals my rand. So to calculate in Excel, to calculate a volatile function, all you need to do is any action on the worksheet. So any action that changes the physical shape of the worksheet or adds a value or takes a value away. So delete column, insert column. Notice that every time I do this, the volatile function is calculating. The non-volatile function does not calculate. Now, the reason that it doesn't calculate is because it doesn't think that anything has caused it to calculate. Volatile functions calculate whenever something happens. Non-volatile functions only calculate when a cell that they're dependent on changes. So if that cell had a dependency on another cell and that changed, then this function would calculate as well. So there are a number of ways that you can make Excel calculate. One is pressing F9. I'm going to do that now. Notice the volatile function recalculated, the volatile function didn't recalculate. I can press Shift F9 to recalculate only the worksheet. Again, only the volatile function recalculated. To make non-volatile functions recalculate and to make every single cell on the entire workbook and the Excel application calculate, press Control, hold it down, press Alt, hold it down, and press F9. Notice there, both the functions recalculated. So if you've got a function that doesn't seem to be calculating and you think it should, you press Control, Alt, F9. You've been listening to excelexperts.com. Thank you very much. Bye.